Welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas, and today in this short video tutorial we're going to show you 3 simple steps on how to calculate a range of data in Excel, no matter how many values we have in the table. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to it. Range means the difference between the lowest and highest value within a dataset. To calculate the range, first, we need to find out the maximum and minimum values. We'll take it all step by step. As a first step, we need to find out the maximum value. We will use this table as an example. We click on the cell in which we want to have the result displayed. We'll enter the equal sign and type max. Excel immediately suggested us a function. Click on it. Now we have to select the cells from which to take into account for the calculation. We click on cell C3, hold down the left button, and drag it down to cell C8. As we can see, these cells have now been entered into the formula. We will close the bracket. Press enter. Well done. Excel has calculated our maximum value from the spreadsheet. Let's move on to the second step. It will be very similar to the first one. But instead of the maximum value, we will now look for the minimum value. We will click on the cell in which we want the minimum value to be displayed. We'll click on cell C11. We'll type in the equal sign and min. We'll select this function. Again, we'll select all the cells that we want to be counted and drag them downwards. Close the bracket. Press enter. Done. The minimum value has been calculated. We come to the last step. We're going to calculate the range, and as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, to calculate the range we need to subtract the minimum value from the maximum value. Now that we've calculated these values, it's not a problem anymore. We select the cell in which we want the range to be calculated. We enter the equal sign. We click on the cell that contains the maximum value. We enter a minus sign to subtract the minimum value. So we click on the cell in which we have entered the minimum value. We press enter. We're done. We have the result of the range immediately available. And it only took a few clicks. So what do you say, it was easy, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. If you are interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel, in that case, don't forget to subscribe.